Hi engineers! Today we continue soft skills for Engineer Module 13 Part 4. In this module we will learn about the words we use in our daily activities. Welcome back to Hospitality Engineering. By the end of this module you will be able to talk about activities that people do regularly. Communicate how often someone does something using always, usually, sometimes, rarely, and never. Write about your typical Saturday or any other weekdays. Nouns. We can see some examples of daily used words as nouns. Afternoon. This means the middle part of the day. I eat breakfast in the morning, I eat lunch in the afternoon, and I eat dinner in the evening. Bread. It is a common food made from flour. The bakery sells hot bread. Children. Means the sons or daughters of someone, plural of child. My aunt and uncle have 4 children. Cigarette. It is a rolled paper with tobacco inside that you smoke. Cigarettes are not good for you. Coffee. It is a dark hot drink that many people have in the morning. I like coffee with milk and sugar. Computer. It is a machine that organizes information. She uses a blank computer at work. Dog. It is an animal that is a common pet. My dog sleeps on my bed. Morning. It is the first part of the day. Morning is the best time for meditation. Postcard. It is a card with a picture that is mailed like a letter. I like to write postcards when I'm on vacation. Evening. The last part of the day. Evening is my favorite time. Now we shall know about the 7 days of a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We see few more verbs here. Verbs. Bring. Means to take something from one place to another. I always bring my phone with me. Cry. Means to have water in your eyes because you are unhappy. Sometimes the baby cries at night. Do. It means to complete an activity or job. I always do my schoolwork. Drink. It means to consume liquid. My dog likes to drink water. Exercise. Is to do physical movements to get stronger and healthier. I exercise every day. Get up. This means to leave bed after sleeping. I don't like to get up early. Go. Is to travel to a place. He goes to school. Have. To possess or own something. They have a new car. Look. Means to appear to be something. This book looks very interesting. We have some more examples for verbs. Love. Means to like something very much. I love spaghetti. Own. Is to possess something. We own a house in Florida. Pay means to give money for something. Can you pay for dinner? Play is to have fun. The children like to play on the beach. Send means to move something from one place to another, usually by mail. Can you send me a picture? Smoke to consume a tobacco product by burning it and breathing it in. Please don't smoke in the restaurant. Teach means to give information about something to someone, usually in a school. She teaches French and Spanish. Travel is to go on a trip from one place to another. I like to travel by train. Let's learn about some expressions that can be used in our daily lives. Good for. This expression is used to show happiness or approval for another person. She has a new job. Good for her. He looks. This helps to describe the way someone or something appears. You look very tired. Go to bed. That's. It is used to identify someone or something. That's my dog Spot. That's great. This is used to show happiness or agreement. My teacher says that's great when I do good work. What is adjectives? Adjectives are words which describes the noun of a sentence. Here are few examples of day-to-day words which are adjectives. Early. It means before the usual time. He never arrives early. Every. It means each. I visit my mother every week. Handsome. Good-looking, attractive, usually used to describe men. He is a handsome man. Nice. It means good or pleasant. My teacher is very nice. What is adverbs? Adverbs are words that describes a verb in a sentence. Here are few examples of words used in our daily lives which can be an adverb of a sentence. Never. None of the time. It never snows in Bali. Always. Happening all the time. She's always happy. She is never sad. Sometimes. It means happening at times, but not all the time. I sometimes eat eggs for breakfast. Rarely. It means not happening often. Martha rarely eats in restaurants. Usually. It means that it's happening most of the time. It's usually hot in Miami. The simple present tense. These statements are of two types: positive statement and negative statements. Coming to positive statements. I or you or we or they plus verb. This is the base form of the sentence. We live in Hawaii. He or she or it plus verb plus subject can also be used. Maria lives in the city. Coming to negative statements. These statements are called so because they use do not or does not before the main verb. I don't work on Saturday. She doesn't work on Saturday. Let's learn about the changes in spelling of a verb when used in a sentence with he, she, it, or a. For verbs that end with ch, sh, x, or z, add es to the word to form sentence. For example, he teaches French. Here the word teach is a verb, but when you use in a sentence we add es and it becomes teaches. Jack washes cars. For verbs that end with a consonant like y, change the y to I and add es. For example, the word cry can be changed as cries. The baby cries at night. Irregular verbs with he, she, it, or a. Do becomes does. Go becomes goes. Have becomes has. He always does his homework. Karen goes to church on Sunday. The house has a swimming pool. We can change the spelling of a verb to fit into a sentence to give the right meaning. From this video you have learnt words from daily activities which can be used as nouns, verbs, adjectives, expressions, adverbs, and positive and negative statements. Thank you for watching the video. Comment, like, and share the video.